Hey everyone, just wanted to give you a quick update of what we've been doing lately in Backstage and some features that we have added, and also, of course, as you can probably see already, some changes in the layout. So let's dive a little bit into it. So on the top, the Google search, nothing changed, everything keeps the same. Below we have the import section, where we have an indication of which plugin or theme you are using in this case. And on the right side, we have the website that indicates where the listings will be imported to, so where you set it up on the settings. For the toggle here, it will enable that the filter fields will appear, and this is when you activate the next step if you are ready to import the tools into your website. So this was a request by some users, and it will help you then to don't make mistakes and press the import if you are not ready yet for the import. Then here on the section below, continuing to the right, we have no emails, a toggle, we have imports, a toggle also, and the button import. So basically here, if you leave the toggle on for the no emails, it will only import listings that have emails. And then here on the right for the import all, as it is now, if you would press the import button, it would only import the listings that you have selected. So as you can see here, selected are 5 listings, so it would only import these 5 listings. If you do want to import all, just click on the toggle. So as you can see here, then the import selected is disabled, and when you click the import, it will import all the listings in this case. Okay, so now moving on below here. So not much changes in terms of aesthetics, but here on the left side we have an indication of how many listings it was found, so 71 in this case. Then we have a ChatGPT icon, and then we have an input field for content length that by default is 100. So basically here is where you decide how many words you want to write for each listing description. By default we have 100, but of course you can lower or increase the size of the business description. Keep that in mind that the more words you add, the longer it will take for ChatGPT to write it, and also the more tokens it will consume. So I usually recommend to do around 200 to 400 maximum, and that's already a pretty good business description length. Then on the right side, we have a toggle on by default, which is for run ChatGPT with import. So this means that the ChatGPT is enabled to run directly with the import. So if now, in this case, we'd have an import all and we would run it, it would then run the ChatGPT for all the listings, and then after that, it would do the import of the listings. So if you disable it, it will appear here on the left side 2 buttons, and it will allow you to first run the ChatGPT for all the listings or run to the selected ones. So it would come here, you would select again. As you can see, it has also the icon on the left, green, so indicating that this listing already has a business description. But if we would go here down below, we have a couple of them that still don't have it. So you can decide here to rewrite them for this case or not rewrite them, so just leave it off. If you want to see how they look like, you click on the image here. You will have a pop-up which will show you the image, a couple more fields like the name, the address, the email address, the website, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, and here below also so in this case the ChatGPT description. If you would like to see here more fields, just let me know and I will add them. And then, of course, if you want to change something here, some typo, or you have extra tags that you don't want to see on the links, you can just change them, update them, and then click update, and this listing will then be updated and ready to be imported. So then once you're done, click close, we go back, and then here nothing different. So we go here into the export CSV button. So here we also did a change. So we enabled ChatGPT for the CSV. So now if you want to have the business descriptions in the CSV because you want to use in other themes like Voxel or Listing Pro, so every theme in the end that you can use by importing a CSV, whether using WP All Imports or any other plugin, so you can use this feature here. Just keep in mind that if you want to use the CSV with ChatGPT, you first need to run it manually with the all or selected, because the run ChatGPT with imports will only work with the import itself and not with the export CSV. Then we have finally on the right side a field, a heading in this case, and it's just an indication of how many listings you have imported so far. So this is an all-time indication. So this means, for example, if you imported 210 listings, but then you deleted 10 from your website, so it means that you have 200 imported in your website, but your all-time import is 210. So just to give you an idea how it works. All right, so this is it for now. I think we have all the updates that we have so far. So if you would like to see any change in the layout, that you think it would be more UX friendly, or if you would like to have a new feature here, so just send us a feature request via comment below, or just send us an email, and we will take a look into that. Yeah, so that's it. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe or put a like. And yeah, stay tuned for more videos. Thank you very much, everyone.